Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to extract elevation point data for any location using combination of Google Earth Pro, GPS Visualizer and QGIS. So I'll show you step by step how to get it done. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Earth Pro. When you open Google Earth Pro, the first thing is to search the location you are interested in. So let me search my study area, Kaduna. So I'll type it and click on search. This will take me to my study area, which is Kaduna. Then here is my study area. If I am interested in capturing the elevation data of this location and its environs, let me show you how to do it using combination of 3 tools. Now, if I'm interested in this whole area, what to do is come to this top area and you will see add paths. Click on that tool called add paths. When you click on it, it will open the Google Earth new paths tool. So just give it a name. Let's call it paths. And then come to your study area and click and drag. You will click and hold your mouse and be moving it around. As you are moving it around, it will be capturing points along the paths you are moving or line of movement. So you will continue to do this for your whole study area, just as I'm doing it. And the more points you capture, the better. Also, it is advisable you draw this path across your study area and extend it outside your study area so that you can have more data. So just move it around and capture as many points as possible like this. Move it around your study area so it will be capturing point, and after that click on OK. So you can see it here. Here is the layer paths. So the next thing to do is to save it as KML, and to do that, right click and click on save place as. So navigate to your working folder. So I am working in this particular folder. Then give it a name. Let's call it paths and click on save. So the next action now is to use the tool called GPS Visualizer. So open your browser and open a new tab. Search for GPS Visualizer and hit the enter key. Now here is the link to the site. Click on GPS Visualizer. This will open GPS Visualizer site. So to convert the KML we have captured, then come to this very option called convert to GPX. When you click on it, this helps you to convert your KML file or KMZ file to GPX, so you can read more about the conversion here. Now if you come down a bit to this very section called output format, so select GPX and then click here to choose the file you want to convert. Navigate to that very folder where we saved our KML file, and here is it. So select it and click on open. Then come down a bit to this very section, add them elevation data. So click on the drop down and select best available source. Then here, the output unit, select metric. Make sure you select metric. After you have set this parameter, come here and click on convert. This will convert it to GPX and give you a link to download it. Yes, here is it. This is the link to download the GPX file. Click on it. When you click on it, it will start downloading. and the download is done. So let me open the location. Here is the downloaded JPX file. So I can cut it and then go to my working folder. Let me go to my working folder here, then right click and paste it. Yes, after you are done with this, the next action is to go to QGIS. In QGIS, we bring in the GPX file we downloaded. So click on add vector layer here. Then navigate to your working folder where we kept the GPX file. And then here is it, the GPX file. So click to select it and click on open. When you click on open, click add. Then it will bring this page. Then select point Z that has value. You can see here I've captured about 697 points. So that is the one I'll select. Select it and then click on add layers. When you click on add layer, it will be added. Then click on close. You can see the points that I've captured. And if I compare it with the Google Ads Pro I did, you can see it, they are the same. So I've captured the points. Now you can verify by right click the layer and click on open attributes table. And here is the elevation value in meter. Here is it, this field represents the elevation. So let me close it and I'll need to export it to convert it to shapefile. To do that, close this page. Then come back to this layer, right click and click on export. Click save features as. Then click here to navigate to your working folder. So I will navigate to my working folder and give it a name. Let's call it elevation data. Click on save and click on OK. Yes, it has been exported and added to our map. If I uncheck this, I can now right click and open the attributes table. And here is it. Let me maximize it. So here is the elevation value. And here, from here, you can go for further analysis, whether you want to generate the digital elevation model or whatever you want to do with it. So, but in essence, this is how you can extract elevation point data from any location using Google Earth Pro, GPX Visualizer, and QGIS. I hope this video is helpful to someone. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.